This is a lesson about the exterior angle theorem, which applies to triangles. Okay, so what I've got is a drawing of a triangle, just a random triangle, and you can see that I've extended one of the legs out a little bit right here. So I extend one side, and that creates what we call an exterior angle to this triangle. When one of the legs is extended out, we create an exterior angle on the outside of the triangle. So let's say with this particular triangle that I have angle measures on the interior. Let's just say this one is 80 degrees and this one is 60 degrees. Now those both have a sum of 140 degrees, so what do we know the third angle has to be? Well, this one here on the interior of the triangle has to be 40, so that the sum of those interior angle measures is the 180 that we know. Okay, if that angle, a 40-degree angle, is 40 degrees, we should be able to see that that angle is supplementary with the exterior angle. They both lie along a straight line, and they have to add up to 180. So that tells me that that exterior angle has to have a measure of 140 degrees. Okay, now let's pretend that we didn't have the 40 filled in this diagram. So if I take away the 40, I can now see, okay, that 140 degree angle is equal to the sum of this 80 degrees and this 60 degrees. Okay, because they're both the sum of the 80 and the 60 and the 140 are both supplementary to that invisible 40-degree angle that I just erased. So the theorem follows. And the theorem is that the measure of the exterior angle, any exterior angle of a triangle, is always equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So it's the two that are farthest away. It's not this angle here that's adjacent to the 140. It's these two angles here that are remote, are farthest away. The other two, the two that are not adjacent to the exterior angle. So one last little example. In the drawing that I have here, I have an exterior angle of 70 degrees. And I need to find out what x is. So I know that this angle of 70 has to be equal to the sum of these two. Okay, so I know that 30 plus x has to equal the 70. So that x has to be 40 degrees. Now you could have gotten that by, well no, you had to have that exterior angle sum of the 70. Anyway, let's look at one more example. So in this diagram we need to find the value of x, and I can see that x is adjacent to this angle here, and it is an exterior angle to the bottom triangle. So x is going to be equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles, the 30 and the 40. So x is 70 degrees. The exterior angle is 70 degrees. And it's as simple as that.